Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a Facebook business page. All you got to do is go to the setting that says pages. And once you're at pages, select on create new page. And this is where you will type your business name and then select a category that relates to your business. And then we can type in our bio, that is optional. And then once we're at that part, we just create page. And so now that our page is created, we can enter all of our contact information to finish setting it up. But we can continue to proceed without it as well. And so from here, we can also add our profile picture. We can add a cover photo. We can also add a call to action on our page, like book now, sign up, call now, those sort of things. And so we can click next. Connect. You can connect your WhatsApp to your page as well. And then to start building your page, you can invite your friends to it as well. And then turn on page notifications and marketing and promotional emails about your page. That is completely optional. And so you can go ahead and keep those on or turn them off, whatever you would like. So click done. And there you go. Now you have your Facebook business page. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.